The weakest point in protecting your home from the outside electromagnetic radiation is the window. It lets through most amount of radiation from cell towers, satellite communications, Wi-Fi routers from your neighbors and the city ones, and don't forget about the solar flares which even knock out electronics. An unprotected window can be a cause of morning fatigue and poor sleep. And now I will tell you how to turn the weakest point into the strongest one. And to do this, I will use the shielding fabrics from the German company YSHIELD. This is a window film with a metal coating that protects your window from the electromagnetic radiation from the outside. This is a voile with a tiny silver thread embedded inside of it. And inside these beautiful curtains, there is a fabric with a Faraday mesh inside of it. I have conducted all the experiments for you. Let's watch. It's a powerful anti-drone rifle that can disrupt or disable equipment up to a mile away. Think of it like a strong microwave. We have set up two measuring devices, and the first one is located 2 meters from the rifle in front of the window, and the other one, identical, is located behind the window. This way we can compare the measurements on both sides of the window simultaneously. To start, let's see how a regular window holds up. When the anti-drone rifle is turned on, you'll notice the green light signaling it's active. In the top left corner, you'll see the sensor before the window showing about 90 microwatts per square centimeter. The sensor behind the window shows a slight drop with a loss of about 10% of radiation. Not much. Now let's ask our assistants to replace the window with the exact same one but with YSHIELD protective film. There is a slight darkening effect, but it's almost invisible, and in appearance and to the touch it is the same as the car tinting film. It is important to know that this film will also prevent the scattering of window shards during external impact and will make it much stronger. After turning on the electromagnetic gun, we see the same results as before the window, but the sensor behind the window shows a sharp decrease. It's now only 7 to 8 microwatts. We are now adding a mini curtain rod with a tulle and an additional protective curtain. The film is still in the window, but now there is a tulle with an embedded silver mesh from YSHIELD and the curtain where we see shielding fabric inside. You can make the curtain in any color and design, as the protective material is inside the curtain. Let's now check how the tulle works. After turning on the gun, we see the same data before the window, but the sensor after the window shows even a greater reduction in radiation. We removed 2 more microwatts. Let's add the curtains. Now the window has a maximum protection, it's a full blackout. The upper recommended electromagnetic radiation limit is 20 microwatts, but you understand that the less is better. In our experiment, we cannot reach zero because part of the signal reflects off the walls and hits the sensor behind the glass. So the minimum value of 3 microwatts that we obtained in the experiment will be about zero in real apartment. This is a complete solution in a real apartment. As you can see, the combination of film, voile and curtain fully protects the window. But what about ceiling, walls and floors? It's easy. Just simply, before the finishing of construction, put such Faraday mesh inside the perimeter, and of course don't forget to ground it. This is the same mesh which is used in the curtains. You can protect like this your entire apartment or simply one room, like bedroom, where your Wi-Fi signal will be guaranteed by your router, and to set up phone calls, simply put forwarding to your home phone. Easy! Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, like, comment and see you in the other videos. Bye bye!